Hey guys, Andrew Darlington with Veritas Risk Management. We get the question a lot. I've got a certificate of insurance and it does not have the additional insured box checked. Is that a problem? Or on the flip side, we'll send out a certificate of insurance and they've asked for additional insured status, but we have not checked the box. Is that a problem? I'll tell you more in just a second. Okay, so you've got a certificate of insurance. You asked to be named as additional insured, but that little box that says ADDL INSD is not checked. Is that a problem? The answer is maybe. Again, if you read any of our other blogs or watched some of our other videos, you will know that a certificate of insurance is basically worthless. The only thing that that certificate does is at the minute that the agent hits produce, it says the coverages that are there. The additional insured status is an endorsement, so it really shouldn't even show up on a certificate. What you want is you want your name to be on the policy. There's actually an endorsement, and the policy is it gets changed. There's a new sheet of paper added. It says additional insured, and it's going to list certain people on there. Depending on who you are, you may be a restaurant owner and you want to make somebody additional insured. You may be a manufacturer and you want additional insured from a supplier. There's a lot of different things. There's a lot of additional insured endorsements on there, but you would want your name there. Now, that's not very common. And the reason it's not very common is because most insurance policies nowadays have what's called a blanket additional insured endorsement. We've got another blog talking about the specifics about the blanket additional insured endorsement. That's not what we're going into right now. We're going into the difference. Okay, so the blanket additional insured endorsement says that they have something in their policy that would automatically give you or whoever the additional insured status automatically based on something in a contract or that type of thing. Okay. So we send out a certificate all the time, and we also send out a copy of the blanket insured endorsement. And we say, if you meet these things, then you get additional insured. If you don't, then you don't. And so it's up to them to determine, hey, did we meet it or not? If we check the box additional insured and that contract's not there or that contract's been canceled and redone, then we're liable, and we really shouldn't be doing that. The people who make the Accord certificates don't like that. That is against the way that they have designed the Accord form to be, and honestly against their copyright, the way we should do it. So if we name someone, just put them on the policy as additional insured, then they're going to see that checkbox, and that's easy. But if it's a contractor, and most construction general liability policies have blanket additional insured put in because it's just less paperwork, and each time you're doing paperwork, you're less profitable, and people trying to increase profit, that type of thing, that endorsement's there. So the answer is, if that box is not checked and they say you are additional insured, say, hey, send me a copy of the endorsement, and that's what you should be doing anyway. Look at the endorsement, call your insurance agent, say, hey, they're saying I'm additional insured. Am I really? Let them look at it. They should know. If they don't, call us. We can help. 423-292-4142. I can review that for you, let you know one way or another. You can email us, help@veritasrm.com. You can comment on this video, and you can also go to our website, and you can chat with us. We do that as well to make things really easy for you to do business with us. We do help folks with general liability, with workers' comp, with commercial property, auto, bonds, all those types of things. We know it can be confusing, and we try to do our best to kind of walk you through the process to make sure you're taken care of well. Reach out, let us know, look at some of our other blogs and posts, go in depth in different things about certificates of insurance. Happy to help in any way we can. Until next time, thanks and God bless.